Hello everyone, today we are going to cover index and ranking of the year 2025. So let's get started. The first question is, what is India's rank in Henley's Passport Index 2025? The answer is 85th. The first rank goes to Singapore. India's rank is 85th. It is published by International Air Transport Authority. What is India's rank in Climate Change Performance Index 2025? The answer is A, 10th. The fourth rank goes to Denmark as first, second, third rank milestones were not completed. It is published by German Watch Company and other partners. What is India's rank in World Happiness Index 2025? The answer is 118. The first rank goes to Finland for the 8th consecutive time. India's rank is 118. In 2024, it was 126, so it has improved. It is published by Wellbeing Research Center. What is India's rank in Global Terrorism Index 2025? The answer is C, 14th. First is Burkina Faso. India's is 14th. It is published by Institute for Economics and Peace. What is India's ranking in World Future Skill Index 2025? The answer is D, 25th. The first rank goes to United States. India's rank is 25th. It is published by Pasquale Simons. What is India's rank in Global Firepower Military Index 2025? The answer is C, 4th. The first rank goes to USA, second rank goes to Russia, third rank goes to China. India's rank is 4th. It is published by Global Firepower. What is India's rank in Global Peace Index 2025? The answer is A, 115. First rank goes to Iceland. India's rank is 115th. It is published by Institute for Economics and Peace. What is India's ranking in Free Speech Index 2025? It is B, 24th. First rank goes to Norway. What is India's ranking in Human Development Index 2025? The answer is D, 130th. First rank goes to Iceland. India's rank is 115th. It is published by United Nations Development Programme UNDP. And the last question is, what is India's rank in World Press Freedom Index 2025? The answer is D, 151. The first rank goes to Norway. India's rank is 151. It is published by Reporters Without Borders. So thank you everyone for watching. Please keep revising all these questions.